Hey everybody, it's time for a hike. Already I'm confused. There is crossroads. I gotta figure out which way I'm going. Anyway, we are here at Rum River Central Regional Park in Ramsey, Minnesota. That is about, 25 minutes, 30 minutes maybe, north of Minneapolis. It is 54 degrees. It is a very overcast day. Very mild. No wind. 54 is not too bad. It's actually kind of nice. It's going to be an awesome walk. Anyway, we got about 4 miles to go. I bet you I can find some extra paths that we can explore and check out. Anyway, let's go. Let's get started. Here's the Rum River, folks. We have reached the river. Sounds like some chainsawing going on over there. More towards the north, there is, on the other side of the river, a conservation area. I do plan on coming back at some time and checking that place out. But, I did do a kayaking trip with me and my wife, and it was our 25th video special. You should check it out. I'll put a link right here. Awesome. So, when I come out in these places, I'm always looking to get away and be by myself, be secluded, which there aren't a lot of people here, but I just wanted to complain about their path structures. Normally, I look for these type of trails that are just, grass or dirt, because they're a little more secluded. They're deeper in the woods, further away from people, much less traveled than these paved biking trails. I have done a couple of these, but I prefer not to. I don't like walking on them. I don't feel like they're secluded. They're not in, deep in the wilderness, I guess you could say, as much as the horse path. This place seems to have the trails, they're just right next to each other. So I chose this path, but I'm just walking right next to that. So if there's a biker or somebody, they're going right by me anyway. So it's like, what's the point? I might as well just walk on the pavement. I don't know. Just a small complaint, I guess. Most parks will have the horse trail go deeper in the woods and further away. They don't really follow that trail, but every once in a while they might cross or something. But these just seem to be following each other. At one point it was kind of like this. It was just right next to each other. They're just kind of like, this is just a short spot, but it was a long stretch earlier where they were just following right next to each other. Weird. Anyway, let's continue with our hike. This is more my kind of trail. Exploration time. I didn't mention this, but I took a little different trail than I was supposed to. And I was tired of walking next to that bike path, so I took this trail that goes deeper into the middle of the park and then cuts back out later. Adds about a quarter mile onto our trip. It's break time. Mm-hmm. Yeah. Gonna have me a Coca-Cola and some chips. Mm-hmm. Yeah. Yeah. Mm-hmm. Mm-hmm. Alrighty, folks. I am back here at the parking lot. So it was a great hike. You know, it was very relaxing. But I don't know. I'm not too sure about this place. The trails were poorly designed, I feel like. There were really no views of any kind, except for, you know, there was a couple sites at the river. You could stop and look at the river. But yeah, there's not really much here. All the trails were, well, not all of them, but most of them were sand or like loose dirt. And that's like the worst thing to walk on if you're walking longer distances anyway. And I don't know, this wasn't the greatest park, and it needs a little work. Some of these trails, like this one I'm standing in, look at how wide this trail is. The trail's like 20 feet wide. What do they need a 20-foot wide trail for? Some of them are wider than that. Yeah, anyway. Saw a little bit of wildlife. Some birds. I saw 2 deer that I wasn't able to get on camera. I just saw them running away, so it was like a couple of seconds. They're hard to get on camera. But anyway, great hike. Thanks for coming along. Like and subscribe, please. And I'll see you on the next adventure.